Oh, well, everybody, how are you doing? Hope you're doing well. Yeah, fully intended to do the driver's door actuator this weekend, but the weather's atrocious. It's proper blowing a hoolie. It doesn't stay dry for more than 35 seconds, so instead we'll have a look at something else. Hello to all you new subscribers. Thanks for doing that, that's great. I just hope there's something here that might interest you. I'm just an old guy that's messing about with an old Land Rover. An old Discovery 2. This all started, if you've only just kind of come in halfway, this all started when I bought a Discovery 2 5 years ago. It was atrocious. Shouldn't have bothered. I spent a fortune on it. Had to get shut. Unbelievably, I bought another one, which is this one here. This is Jugs. And yes, it's better. Better get me a new one. This one's rubbish. Yeah, okay. Yeah, right. Anyway, never mind that. Welcome everybody. So, there's something else that's annoying me. I'll show you what it is. I mean, what's the crack? To be honest, we know what the crack is already, don't we? It's that little beastie there. It's the door stay. Now, if we get zoomed in close, we can see the problem. Now that's the driver's door. Driver's door is fair enough, you can expect it that, but all the rest do it. On the top of the pin there. Now I thought there was perhaps play between the pin and this arm. It would appear to be this bit instead, which I think we'll find is fastened to the inside. Yeah, I think I'm going to get some new pins anyway. There's some on eBay for £5, about £6 for two, or £3.10 each. So I'll get 4. But for the other side, I think one needs a washer in between the bits. See quite clearly here, that's pretty gross, isn't it? A new pin might sort that. Right, well, there's not seem to make much difference. Bash the pin down as far as it'll go. The hole's still too big. Right, well, it looks like we'll have to get another. It looks like we'll have to get another bit, new bit. If you wanted to cure it all together, can't really think of much else. Right. Oh yeah. We had a spot of rain on the odd occasion, and of course my carpet's wet again because there's a gaping chasm on the other side of the windscreen cowl and it's letting too much water in. Seem to have different problems with different hinges. Right. Oh, I don't know. I'm going to try some grease in there. But first of all, let's go down the other side. I can see with this one that the gap clearly is too wide between here and there. So guess what? Let's hit it with a hammer. Right. Okay. A couple of washers and some grease. As we can see, It's pretty well knackered anyway. So, the new set, I think. Right, I've cheated. I've just hit the two parts together. Instead of putting a washer in, just knock that one up, the other one down. So it's a bit naughty, but I'm going to put that pin back in now. Right, it's not all the way down, but I don't think it's the noise. I think the noise is coming from in here now, on the other side. I'm going to get some spray grease. Well, that was a total waste of time. Right, I think it's all over for the minute because it's starting to rain. Back in a bit. Oh, hello everybody, you're back. Me too. Right, I've got about 30 seconds before it rains again. So, what have we achieved so far? Well, I've got grease everywhere. Yeah, okay. It's not quite a Banksy, but it's not far off. Right, what I've done, as you know, I think that one knocked it down a bit. Well, seems a little bit better. What I'll need to do is get some new pins. Try some new pins and then take it from there. I think that's that one. This door we tapped top and bottom together, made no difference. I'm going to try a new pin in there. This side. Not a lot of difference there. Squirted grease in both ends. I'm going to try a new pin again. This is still the same. You can see the problem here, it's quite clear. So that needs a pin. Yeah, that's pretty grim. Well, the only way to do it properly is to replace all the bits. The door check itself, the bit on the inside and the hinges. Hinges are about £64 on eBay. That's a bit dear. However, there's always scrappies because the sides, although they're handed, but the front and back are the same, I think. I'm pretty sure they are. So you can get some back ones, put them on the front. That's what I'm going to do. Well, like I say, 180,000 miles, millions and millions of door openings over its life. It's got to be some wear and tear, isn't it? It's quite normal. It's just annoying, especially at 5:30 in the morning when when you go off to work. Click, 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 click. What's the crack? Oh well, look, I'm opening my door, and everybody down the street can hear it. Not necessarily a good thing. Anyway, plus it's annoying. The that'll have to do for now due to the inclement weather. I hope everybody's well. We're okay, just the usual aches and pains. Blooming well. It's been nice a couple of weeks ago, but now it's crap. Yeah, well, anyway. Yeah. Just in case you want to wash your feet while you're driving. Well, the passenger can, you can't. You're busy messing with the pedals. Anyway, that's where we are. Still going to source some bits. I'm going to try some new pins. I'm going to go order them right now. Well, when I finish my tea. Got to get your priorities right. Anyway, nice to see you all again. Look after yourselves. Don't forget, don't fall out. It's not our fault. It's China's fault. Oh yeah, going to get my jab soon. I was going to do it earlier, but I found a place closer to home, so I cancelled the first one at Elland Road, and now going somewhere, local health centre. It's not as far. Well, mind you, it'd be like a ride out, you know, going down Elland Road. It's in Leeds, by the way. So, yeah. Anyway, so don't fall out. We'll be out of this soon. And then we can... I'm skint, so I'll have to stop in anyway. Yeah, okay. I've always been skint. Alright, so, take care of yourselves. Don't get lost or squashed, and see you in a bit.